Hello everybody and welcome back to the Flatline Trades YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to run you through a trade idea that I had, and it resulted in a break even, but it would have been around the 3.5R if I wouldn't have put it to break even, but I'll explain why I went to break even. It was more to do so with the time of the trade, and it was just before the open, so with a lot of volatility just before the open, I'm very cautious, and also the daily bias was a bit unclear as we were trading as an inside bar. But on the 4 hour, we did fill in this new weekly opening gap, massive imbalance, and then we started to move higher. So my attention was mainly on the 4 hour as the highest time frame for this. So as we can see here, we do have a very nice SMT. On ES, we swept this candle's low and the previous one, and on NQ, we started moving higher. And this candle, as it was playing out, this 6 o'clock candle, around 9 o'clock, it was showing willingness to go higher, and as we're so close to previous daily high, I wanted to target this area because this is a very good area for me to target. And in taking previous daily high, we could see ES possibly sweep this candle's high or this one here. So a move higher made sense for me. So now after that, as the 4 was my highest time frame, I dropped down to the 30 minutes. So as we can see here now, this is the 9 o'clock candle on the 30-minute chart. We closed down here as a candle 2, a bullish one. So did we do the same on ES upon sweeping the lows that we mentioned before on the 4 hour. And then we started moving up, leaving this really nice fair value gap on both assets. And NQ was very close to previous daily high, which shows it's a lot stronger to me. And we do see ES tap into this fair value gap and then start to trade higher. And then NQ did not tap into that fair value gap, didn't sweep the previous candle's low, and then we started moving upwards. So if I play out just 5 minutes in time, we can see that both candles start reversing to the upside. And with previous daily high being so close, and also London high for ES, it would make sense for both of these to target these areas. However, as NQ was strongest, I was looking for a long on NQ just to target previous daily high to see if I can get involved in this candle and what it would offer me. So then in that, I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame because it was quite an aggressive entry, and I'll show you exactly what happened. So on the 1 minute chart, as I was letting price play out, we had that 30-minute SMT fill. I saw around 9:22, that we broke above this little swing here on the 1 minute, which is this one here. So we broke above this. And upon breaking above that, we were so close to previous daily high, but being the time that it is 9:22, it's a bit volatile around this time, and then especially at 9:30, but I was just wanting to catch the move up to here as we had this target as well. And whilst this one reaches up to there, this one can also reach up to there. So everything was making sense for me. And I actually took this on live on YouTube. I was live on YouTube and I took it and I caught the break even. So I just put my stop loss below this swing. It was quite aggressive. And then I targeted this area here, which offered me around a 3R. And then when this candle closed, I took my entry. And then if I just play forward, we had a 1 minute candle that went quite high. And it reached a around a 1.10R, let's say 1.1. Sorry, 1.1, not 1.10. And then what I did was I just put myself at break even in this candle here. Because of the time and everything, I don't really consider trading at this time, but as things were looking clear, I just thought I'd put myself on break even, hoping that this candle would just expand to the upside, or at least maybe just hold until the open, and then the open sweeps it. I had my take profit here, but as we can see, price came down. It literally stopped me out at break even, and then the next candle just absolutely hit the TP, which I was pretty sad about, but I mean, it is what it is. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that trade. I took it on the live on YouTube. So I go live on YouTube every day. I'm trying to go live on YouTube or Discord. So yeah, I mean, I would really appreciate if you guys would join the live, or even, join the free Discord, and I'll trade there. You guys just let me know where you want to see the live and I'll do it wherever you guys want. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.